Hi, it's Laura with WTI, and if you're tired of nasty smells lingering in your home, or you have somebody in the home that has allergies, then definitely consider this LEVOIT air purifier. Now, I found the design to be very nice and simplistic. It's also not super bulky, but just a very sleek white design. It's also very, very functional and easy to use. Setup was a breeze. With regards to the filter, it has a multi-layer filter, and this top one is actually washable, followed by a carbon filter, and then you have your HEPA filter in the back. It's very easy to take it in and out, set it up. All you do is push it back in and pop the cover on, and you're all set. On the display, you'll see that it has three different speeds for the fan. The first speed is actually very, very quiet. And then the last speed, you can definitely hear it, but that would be something that you would say for maybe a day that you're cooking quite a bit, or if you've got quite a bit of activity going on in your room. It also has a timer and an indicator once your filter is ready to be changed out. So for those reasons, I was convinced that I wanted this filter, and already I can see how it's picking up things and keeping my air very nice and clean. I really think you and your family will benefit and see the difference in your home, but that is just my point of view.